Hey guys, it's Lace, also known as Baby Lois, and welcome to the channel. So for today, we're going to do this very easy DIY scrunchie. So sobrang nauso to ngayon, and it's kind of perfect for an accessory then. So you can put it on your wrist or syempre sa hair nyo. And for us na curly girls, it's perfect because it will take care of your curls at the same time kahit nakaipit kayo. So, you'll be surprised na sobrang dali lang nitong gawin. And for this video, we're going to do this blue scrunchie. And nagtingin din ako sa mall, and as you can see, medyo may kamahalan siya, but it's very, very in right now. So, if you have extra fabric and extra elastics, let's go. So, what you will need, here you need some fabric. I chose na parang satin yung fabric niya kasi nga I want na medyo gentle lang siya sa curls. And then you must have your elastic syempre. So if you have extra, and if ever pwede na naman kayo bumili. And then needle and thread, of course we're going to do some little bit of sewing, pero sobrang basic lang nito kasi yun lang yung alam ko na sewing skills. And scissors. So I have this very, very little baby cute scissors na hindi masyadong functionable. So first is I take my elastic. I take my elastic and I measure it sa wrist ko. And the way I measure it na medyo masikip, so medyo hinata ko yung elastic ng konti para may medyong tension. So, pangit naman kung sobrang walang tension tapos it might end up maluwang or something. So, make sure to measure up your elastic na basta may tension siya para at least basta yun nga, may tension siya para hindi siya mahulog sa wrist mo and pag nilagay mo siya dun. So, I used my baby scissors na to cut off my elastic, and surprisingly, gumana naman siya. So yeah, I'm just testing again my elastic on my wrist, just making sure that I have the right measurements. So taking my fabric, approximately mga ganyan lang yung kailangan kong elastic and this huge amount of fabric. So don't worry na medyo malaki yung fabric nyo because magsiscrunch naman siya. So I'm just folding my fabric na inside out because we're going to sew it. So I'm just trying to, even out yung fold kasi as you can see medyo jagged yung yung fabric. I'm just gonna sew all the way across the fabric. So here I'm just doing a basic straight stitch yata yung tawag dito. I'm not sure, but it's very, very simple and medyo time consuming. So as you can see, I'm watching my man Rafi Tulfo on the side kasi it will take me several minutes to finish this fabric. So make sure na para hindi kayo mabored, grab some Tulfo action videos and watch while you're sewing. So in the end, I will end up with something like this, and yung dulong part medyo hindi ko na tinapos because I'm happy with the length. And yan, medyo fail yung baby scissors. So I just grabbed some normal scissors and I just snipped off this part para even yung cut. Ayan. So you will end up something like this. And I didn't bother cutting off yung parang jagged edges kasi nasa loob naman siya eventually. So the goal here next is to baliktarin yung fabric. So you will have the right side out naman. Kasi syempre, yun yung gusto mo makita dun sa scrunchie. So eventually, I na-discover tong trick na to na ayan, hinihila ko siya or dinadrag ko siya against dun sa surface para mas mabilis siya bumaliktad. And as you can see, kahit sobrang simple lang ng stitching natin, maganda pa rin naman yung kinalabasan niya. So, kahit medyo beginner lang kayo, it's okay kasi beginner lang din ako and so far it turns out okay naman yung mga ginagawa kong scrunchie. So, the next goal is to put your elastic inside the fabric. So, ang ginawa ko is nakapatong yung elastic sa thumb ko and I'm just scrunching up the fabric dun sa thumb ko while it's inside para yun yung way ko na mapasok yung elastic. So, medyo mahirap siya explain but as you can see here, ayan, lumabas na yung thumb ko sa other side along with the elastic. So, ayan, nasa loob na yung elastic natin. Elastic or garter, whatever you wanna call it. Same. So the next step pala is to sew yung elastics together. So, it doesn't have to be perfect kasi syempre, una, nasa loob naman siya. And, ang goal lang naman is ma-secure yung elastic para hindi sila magpiktal kapag hinihila-hila mo or tinatali mo yung buhok mo. So, the next step is I will fold tong fabric inside para mas malinis tignan and ipapasok ko yung other side dun sa kabilang side para, ayan nga, mas malinis. And then, I will try and sew them together para ma-close na tong scrunchie na to. And what I will do is, I will try and pinch both sides. Tapos, tatahiin ko lang siya the way that I know. So, if you guys know a different way to stitch this together, go ahead. Feel free to do so. Pero, ito lang talaga yung kaya ng powers ko. Kaya, ayun. Ang goal lang naman is to, close the scrunchie. And, ewan ko, pag suot ko naman siya, hindi naman din siya halata. And, scrunchie naman siya. So, medyo kulubot-kulubot. So, hindi naman masyadong halata yung stitching. So, ang sabi nila, scrunchies are great for your curly hair kasi it minimizes frizz and it's gentler than the other hair ties out there. So, I think making your own scrunchie is a really good idea kasi nakatipid ka pa and you have something that will take care of your hair while it's, tied up. So, ayan, we have our scrunchies. Dati, ginawa ko na tong pink. But, yun nga, I'm very, very happy. That's why I decided to make another one. Kaya, I hope you guys enjoyed then. So, if you have other fabrics laying around or elastics or kahit t-shirt man lang, you can create your own scrunchie. So, yun na guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe if you're not part of this channel yet. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!